how to reset your Linux furnace, especially if you don't see a reset button, and most of them don't. So if you want to go ahead and do this, make sure you set your thermostat to off first. So this will stop the furnace from running, and then you can switch off the furnace power using the wall switch. So it's usually going to be found on your home's circuit breaker or near the unit. So a wall switch near your furnace. But you're gonna have to wait about 30 to 60 seconds to fully reset the system. Then once you've done that, you can go ahead and power the system back on. And then doing this, you make sure you set your thermostat to heat and increase the temperature a few degrees above room temperature, and this should trigger the furnace to restart. Listen for normal startup sounds like the blower and ignition. Then you can check common issues if it fails. If it still doesn't work, you can inspect simple causes like replacing a dirty air filter and ensuring the breaker isn't tripped. Then confirm the gas supply is on. Some models have a reset button, like a rollout switch inside. You can press it only if tripped. If the furnace keeps shutting down after resetting, you can try to stop and then call a technician, since it could be a safety or internal issue. But those are the steps to technically reset your Linux furnace, so hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.